Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! It's actually a nice fucking day. I don't even know what day it is. 20 something. I don't know, I'll figure it out. 24? 25? April? I don't know. But it's not gonna last. Chance of snow in 2 days. So I figure it's a nice day. I'm gonna put a stack on the pit bitch. First, cheers, big ears. Got a lot of people to thank for this. We'll get to that in a minute. But this is the FB 700 Pit Boss. Has a hole for a stack and a cover plate. Why not put a stack on it? Got to drill a bunch of holes in the back of the fucking thing. Stupid. So, got a stack. That I'll bring over here and show you. Why not, eh? Plate. What they got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fucking holes. Stupidness. It really lets a breeze in when the wind comes from the fucking north. So what I'm going to do, I've got this insulating tape. It's metal tape. Got it from a buddy of mine who does that kind of shit. So I'm going to put the tape across that, take off this plate, and put on the stack. Get stacked, bitch. Woo! Gotta thank Paul from Paul's Q for giving me the link to where to get that. Gotta thank Heavy Metal Barbecue for ordering it for me and sending it to my buddy Roch in another state, and he hand delivered it to me in Canada. Woohoo! Awesome. Alright, I'm gonna take that fucking thing off and see what happens. See if this works. But first, drink up, Buttercup. Hey, look at this guy. First one of the year for me. Rose-breasted grosbeak. Nice. They come back every year, these fuckers. Now, I'm gonna have to go through way more seeds now that these guys are here. Alright. I'll be back. Alright, got the holes plugged up. Woo! Interesting. Put a stack on it to begin with, assholes. Pit bitches. Oh, a gasket. I have a gasket. Gasket. Come on, bitchy. Okay. Get this fucker started. Well, that looks a bit fucking better. How about that? Bitchy? Nice. Should be like that from the fucking factory. Perfect. I'm gonna run it for a bit, not just yet. Gonna do a steak later on, a nice 3.5 pounder. So, run it for a bit and let that the glue on the tape tack up. See what happens. Maybe it'll just fall off, who knows. It's supposed to take heat. That's what my buddy said anyway. I don't know. Yeah, much better. Alright, bitches. We'll be back in a bit. Drink up, buttercup. Woo. Good enough. Beer. Woo! That's okay. Good. That's how it's supposed to be. Right on. Alright. We'll be back in a bit. Cheers, big ears. Woo.